If you're in the Salesforce world, you know this feeling all too well. You've built what looks like an absolute masterpiece of a system, but there's always that nagging doubt lurking in the back of your mind, a persistent anxiety about the data fueling it all. You repeatedly ask yourself, can you trust your Salesforce data? Today, we're going to explore a framework designed to replace that guesswork with reliable evidence so you can eliminate that anxiety for good. Let's get started. Let's start by addressing the most important question you'll ever ask about your Salesforce environment. Do you really know your customers' data? The answer often determines whether your Salesforce project succeeds or fails. Whether you're prepping for an AI readiness assessment, evaluating Salesforce Data 360, or executing a multi-org strategy, you need a clear path from uncertainty to complete confidence. To get there, we need to talk about what we call the platform data divide. Picture this as a giant chasm between having a really powerful tool in your hands and having reliable information inside that tool. On one side of this divide, you have platform excellence, the world of Salesforce itself and its extensive partner ecosystem. This is a known quantity. There are certifications, established best practices, proven methodologies, the whole deal. But then you cross over to the other side, where you find data reliability, the actual information living in your org. This is the great unknown that ultimately determines your ROI. Here's what's surprising. It's almost never the platform that fails. Instead, the data simply can't support you or your team's needs. We know the platform inside and out, but you don't really know your customer data. You're building your entire operation on a shaky foundation. Let me introduce you to Cuneiform for Salesforce, the solution that eliminates your anxiety around data reliability, governance, and AI readiness. Whether you're prepping for an AI readiness assessment, evaluating Salesforce Data 360, or executing a multi-org strategy, you need a clear path from uncertainty to complete confidence. With Cuneiform, you can eliminate your anxiety around data reliability, governance, and AI readiness. PeerNova's KYCD cycle, a practical framework. Using PeerNova's KYCD cycle, a framework designed from the ground up, we bridge the platform data divide. KYCD, or Know Your Customer Data. The mission here is straightforward but profound, to put data knowledge and platform knowledge on the exact same level. Because here's the truth, what you know about your data is just as important as what you can do with the platform. KYCD isn't a one-time cleanup project. It's a continuous, 6-stage operational discipline consisting of profile, understand, prioritize, mitigate, monitor, and maintain. These steps take you seamlessly from establishing a baseline of what data actually exists, all the way to continuous automated monitoring. The 6-stage cycle is split into 2 phases. The calibrate phase, profile, understand, and prioritize. And the execute phase, mitigate, monitor, and maintain. Let us walk you through how this cycle works. First, you profile your data, you analyze what you actually have in your system. Then you move on to understand it, where you interpret those profiling results to see the real state, shape, and health of your data. The next step is to prioritize, and this is absolutely crucial. This is where you connect your data's quality to its actual business impact, so you can identify what you should care about the most. It's not about fixing everything, it's about fixing what matters. Once you have those priorities clearly defined, you can mitigate the biggest risks by focusing your efforts on what's truly important. As you make those improvements, you're able to monitor your progress over time, tracking how your data reliability is evolving. And finally, with all those first 5 phases in place, you're ready to maintain your gains by seamlessly integrating the KYCD framework into your standard workflows and operational practices. The 6-stage cycle prevents the data quality death spiral and ensures your data is always fit for purpose. To learn more about PeerNova's KYCD framework and Cuneiform for Salesforce, visit our website at peernova.com or email us directly at sfsales@peernova.com.